Bose noise-canceling Earbuds 700 surface in YouTube video, could be officially launched soon. Bose has been rumored to be working on new premium true wireless earphones with active noise cancellation, and a new video now details the unannounced Bose noise-canceling Earbuds 700. The new true wireless earphones will compete directly against the Apple AirPods Pro, offering premium true wireless sound with effective active noise cancellation. Although there's no word on when the new Bose earphones will be launched and at what price, it's likely that the launch will take place soon based on the video. While launching the Bose noise-canceling headphone 700 globally, the company also announced that it was developing the Bose Earbuds 500 and Bose noise-canceling Earbuds 700. Both of these products have been delayed well beyond their initial expected launch dates, and are now expected to launch sometime later this year. This new video suggests that the more expensive Bose noise-canceling Earbuds 700 are ready for launch, and the company could announce the launch of both of its new true wireless headsets simultaneously. The video, posted on a little-known YouTube channel, shows the box of the new earphones, with Quiet Comfort earbuds at the bottom, suggesting that this is indeed the Bose noise-canceling Earbuds 700. The earphones, charging case, and box contents are properly shown in the video, which hints at the authenticity of the product itself. The earphones are pill-shaped and considerably smaller than the Bose Sound Sport-Free earphones, and will likely be priced somewhere near that of the Apple AirPods Pro. Bose has typically been ahead of the competition when it comes to active noise cancellation on headphones and earphones, but the company hasn't done much in the true wireless space beyond the Bose Sound Sport-Free. The range is in much need of new and improved products, and the Bose Earbuds 500 and noise-canceling Earbuds 700 will help the company compete in the personal audio space against Apple's dominance. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.